Are you ready, guys?
Yep.
Are you ready, Siri? Food.
What?
Tapos kung basta about sa business. Maraming salamat and have a good day. So hello guys, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. So ang aming YouTube channel ay tinatawag na
Pinay Lumpia Crew.
PLC, Pinay Lumpia Crew. So we will gonna start our official first vlog in our Pinay Lumpia Crew YouTube channel. So basically it's all about the business, small business, selling lumpia.
Yeah.
So selling lumpia and some other food that is yung delicacy ng Pilipinas. So we will bring it here in the USA. Specifically, we're based in Ohio. Okay, so this is our first vlog, and then ang gagawin namin siguro sa channel na to is all about journey ng aming business, kung paano to mag-umpisa. So ano yung mga mangyayari, ilalagay namin yung mga siguro mga ginagawa namin na mga food, tapos kung basta about sa business, ganun lang yun. So, may gusto kong sabihin.
Si Sophie daw.
Sophie, hold this.
Is it official?
Yeah, that's official.
What are you gonna say?
I was gonna say, please subscribe to our family's channel, and we will sometimes post videos all together as a family, maybe.
Yes.
Anyways, hope you guys had a great time watching this. Please take care. That's all.
Wow, malupit ah. How about you, Sari? Do you want to say
Do you want to
something?
say something? No.
Ayan. Okay, so guys, so see you sa mga susunod pang vlog namin. Sana weekly. Ang goal namin weekly. Pero sana magawa namin yun. Okay, so tambay lang kayo dito sa channel namin. Maraming salamat and have a good day.